This is a quick tutorial on using image boxes in Elementor. Image boxes are one of the stars in Elementor. I have a page open here and I have the Elementor editor open already. So here's a blank section and I'm going to drag in an intersection if it lets me. Let's see if it... Hello. There we go. Alright, so here's a two-column section. I'm going to drag in the image box. And you see right off the bat you get a lot for just one widget. You get an image, you get a heading, and you get a description. So that's one of the reasons why they get used so much, is that you can also link them to other pages, and it's just a real handy way to lay out your content. Here we click the image and I'll put in just something bland, and then you can also line the image over on the left or on the right, so that's pretty handy. And the other thing you can do is you can go to Style and change the hover animation, and you can change the opacity when you actually hover over it. So then you would go to hover and then change the opacity. Normal I want 0, and then hover I want normal I want 1. Okay, now we're good. So you can change the opacity, the shrink to grow, and you can change the duration there. One of the ways you can use the image box is just by taking advantage of the fact that you get a header and a description in one widget. So if you have an image that you want to put in there, and then you want a description next to it, you can just remove this image and just take advantage of the fact that you get a header and a description, and then you don't need to do two widgets instead of the one. So we'll just add a little spacer here, and that's another handy way to go about it. Since it's such a handy widget, I figured I'd just do a quick little tutorial. If you are interested in full tutorials for an entire website, go to stepbystepwp.com. That's the site where I post my full tutorials. They're completely free, and the difference between these tutorials is that we start with downloading an entire starter site, and then you just make the adjustments to the template that you need to make to adjust to fit your needs. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.